I had a meeting with the Southern Railways General Manager regarding the issues rose because of the closure of the suburban stations of Egmore. So all the trains, literally 60% of the trains have been stopped from Tambaram to Beach, which is causing a lot of problems to the commuters. The Railways is very well aware of it, and the issue has been raised in the media, as well as I also contacted the Railway GM personally and requested him to resolve the issue. They have taken steps. They have reduced it by 30%. They've increased the number of coaches. But the 100% effect will take place from coming Monday. That's what they have assured me. By increasing plying more buses from Tambaram to Beach in the peak hours. I also requested them to increase the number of coaches, which they have increased 5 coaches to their existing trains. And this issue should resolve. And I'm hopeful that the problem faced by commuters will be resolved during the peak hours. If need be, we'll raise it up the issue to the Railway Minister also.
So, meanwhile, what would be the temporary measures taken by the state government?
The government has increased the buses routes plying from Tambaram to Beach, and also ensure the more frequency of their metros to this. This is what the state government can do. And we expect even the Southern Railway has increased the number of coaches. And we are also plying about 15 buses during peak hours. This should also take care of the issues for the moment.